Buenos días, good morning. Estoy aquí con Elise. She just se acaba de despertar. ¿Estabas dormida? Sí. You're not a baby? You're a big sister? ¿Eres hermana grande? Wow. January 2nd, it's Thursday, and now officially back to the daytime. I'm still currently at the same place, loving it, learning, accomplishing new goals every day, but now back to it, man. Back to a new beginning, back to the beginning of the year, fresh mind, and ready to accomplish many new goals, many great tasks, and excited just to get out of the house. You know, I've been pretty much, ever since I was born, November 18th, you know, I was in the house for 2 weeks, went back to work, then back on holiday, but now finally, January, I keep thinking about NFL playoff football. I'm excited about that. College national championship, I believe it's Monday, if I'm not mistaken, and new Mexican League starts again, I believe. Wow, I think not this weekend, but the following weekend. So, sports fanatic all the way. Catch my videos, you've seen some of my recaps and reactions, and just excited to begin a new day. It's raining and nothing. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just letting life take me by. Hey, just a word of advice, people: when you're driving through a parking deck, don't be on someone's ass. Like, don't be on someone's bumper, because accidents could happen. And congratulations, my brother. You deserve it. We still got to put the name on it.
Okay.
But Stan, it's on your desk now. Very, very cold. It was a busy day with a long list, but we got through it. And my uncle just invited us to some enchiladas. Elia.
Cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10.